Alright, so we'll breakdown and recap of Monday, December 1st. I'm going to try and do a daily recap almost every single day, even if I don't take a trade. Today I did take a trade, which I'll go over first. So I wake up, right? Let me look at the higher time frame. We were inside of this daily Fair Value Gap here. Obviously, higher time frame. We're in a market maker buy model here as well. 4-hour order block that got hit. Really good reaction here. Hit our 2.5 of our standard deviation, and then I was like, okay, this looks good. And then we didn't rebalance EQ of this whole down move, right? And these relative equal highs here, unfilled 1 hour, and I saw this reaction, and I'm like, okay, if we want to go lower, we realistically should come here first. So with that in mind, I was obviously bullish, and I got on. I was looking around, and I saw that. Let me go back here. If I own 1 hour. So 1 hour right here, we have the start of the rejection block at the start of this wick, and then the CE aligns with the start of that 1 hour. Super clean already. I really like that. And then we also have midnight, and then this 30-minute change in the state of delivery right here as well. And then on the 4 hour, there's EL as well with those lows. So this is the most picture perfect level ever. Like, I would take this time around 10 times, and honestly just got really unfortunate because I entered here. Well, actually I waited for a little bit of displacement, so I got in more like up here. I think my stop was 10 points, being at the low, targeting here, and that's what ended up happening. Super clean level, totally fine with this loss as well. I don't really mind at all, to be honest. And so yeah, and then we had our midnight open below the key open. It's clear draw. So stops get ran. We end up coming down to like CE of the 1 hour, and then kind of just chop around, chop slowly higher until market opens. Here we go up, and then we manipulate down, create an SMT here with ES, and then we just fly off to the draw on liquidity, and then 10 AM opens, manipulates down, and comes up, and will probably continue higher. But yeah. So far in the month, 1 for O on drawn liquidity, 0 for 1 on wins. But that's okay. I'm completely fine with this loss. I still have another 24 days in the month to take. Literally, I need 6 winning trades. So, like, that is perfectly okay with me. And just a huge expansion overnight. Most likely going to be a range day. And what do we know? It was a range day. So yeah, I still would take this trade. Still A+, perfect. But my main goal really is just to, for all of December, follow my rules, not over leverage, trade my system, stop, strat hopping, getting shiny object syndrome, because my draw on liquidity was right. Like, where I said price was gonna go was correct. Like, if I pull up my Discord over here, 1 second, pull this up, look at this, right? Can I like do a little side by side here? Yeah, I gotta look at. Oh shit! Look at this, right? I changed my chart colors. These are what I use at nighttime easier on the eyes, and this is what I use otherwise because I like these more. But as you can see, midnight open is here, and in that picture we're trading around 6, like here. So this is, oh yeah, I did this in the morning, so it's like here. So, and I said we accumulate and then manipulate down to, I know I said, yeah, okay, I said I like 2-5, or 2-5, 2-3-1, which was that midnight open. Right there, as you can see. I don't know why I didn't extend this in the picture, but, I mean, as you can see, it's pretty much how it, played out. Just there was a soup of that low, and then we went higher. But yeah, so my draw liquidity was correct. So I'm happy. Solid day. You know, obviously, you know, I felt the emotion to overtrade and keep trading and just wanting to make money because, I mean, truthfully, it is getting tiring, you know, because I want to pass this account. Oh wait, I'm not logged in. I want to pass this account, and I've been wanting to pass it for the past. This is my third. This week will be my third week on the account, and you know I just want to pass it, and I'm trying to rush it, and I feel the emotions. I really do, but I know nothing good comes from them, and I'm not gonna act on them. So, yeah, that was today. Draw liquidity is correct. An L on the day though. You know, honestly, most would say, you know, a rough start to December, but because I took a loss. But in my book, honestly, it's a win because my bias was correct. My draw and liquidity was correct, and it's okay. Entries, getting better at entries comes through time as well. So, yeah, solid day. Gonna go do some more recapping. Maybe adjust my chart colors more. But yeah, solid day.